This is the Slime Mystery Box Challenge. In this 2-round competition, each of you are going to pick a mystery box from our lovely mystery box wall over here. Your goal is to make the best slime you can using exclusively the ingredients from inside the box, with the only rule being you can add glue and activator. So if you want to pick your boxes for round 1, go ahead, and investigate the wall.
Ooh. This one sounds interesting.
Let's pick this one. It sounds the heaviest.
Okay, so now that you have your boxes, don't open them yet, because there's gonna be mini games that will give you advantages and disadvantages in the challenge. So let's jump over to the first mini game. For mini game number 1, we're doing the slime stacking challenge. Now, in the slime making round, this is gonna give you a unique advantage or disadvantage if you win or lose. Your goal is to create the tallest tower in 90 seconds using these slimes. The tower has to stand for 5 seconds without falling for it to count. Make sure your towers are structurally integral. 90 seconds starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, this is going down.
My life.
Hey!
All right.
I'm just going straight up. This is my method.
Yeah, straight up.
The tower needs to be structurally integral. Don't
Okay,
forget.
shut up, Dan.
But only
It looks pretty sturdy to me.
There you go.
Okay. Tried and true. Structure.
5, 4, 3.
Oh my God.
2,
I'm not gonna do
1. And Hannah is the winner. So now you guys are going to have 10 minutes to create your slimes using the stuff in the box, and Hannah is going to get an advantage. She's going to get 1 extra ingredient not included in the box to help decorate her slime to be as good as possible.
Sweet.
So there will be a halftime minigame to further spice up round 1. But without further ado, you can now open your box. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right. This box is huge.
Oh, wow. Oh, honestly, I'm feeling pretty positive about this.
On the table. Oh. Wow, what is this? I've got glue, spiky cucumbers, sugar boba sponge cake. Oh, and sand. Whatever, let's just get started making our slime and then I'll figure it out as I go.
We got little fish pebbles, blue shaving cream. Ooh, I have a deactivated slime. These are pretty. Oh, cute. Okay, and a bunch of glitter. And I also have these little axolotls. Cotton candy glitter axolotl. That's the slime I'm making. I am mixing with shaving cream.
Activator.
So for my extra ingredient, I took thick and glossy slime. A whole slime, why not?
No, okay. So it has to be cucumbers and crumbs. Kind of like some kind of fruity candy or something. I don't know, it's kind of crumbly.
But it's kind of a pretty color.
Hannah's is looking so much better.
Let's decorate our other slime.
You guys have 30 seconds left.
Wait, no way.
Halftime, don't worry.
Wait, what if I make a SpongeBob themed slime? I already was
actually really
painted.
Could be like a sea pickle.
Yeah.
But you'll have to figure it out
just is
afterwards because
not-
that is
oh my
time.
God.
Slime's down. This is the basketball minigame. It's pretty simple. First one to make a shot from behind slime wins.
All right, got the.
Nope.
Oh, wait.
almost.
Before I'm going.
Flick the wrist.
It's like, no.
Why? Well, you can't have straight knee. You need to have...
Oh!
There it is.
Oh, that was so clean.
See? Bend the knees. That's all you gotta
Nothing
do.
but that!
I mean, that's 2 challenges to Hannah, so Hannah's gonna get another advantage for the rest of this round. So after our halftime minigame, Hannah has won again, which means Christy, unfortunately, will have to sit out for 1 minute in the last 5 minutes of the challenge.
That's so long. All right, we're sitting for 1 minute.
I'm just gonna do some of them into this slime. That's actually not so bad.
I have to be sitting for 1 minute. You know who can work on my slime? Looks like someone has 2 free hands over here. Henry's just helping.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm sitting here.
But like mentally? I love this.
Christy, your minute's up. You can work now.
Okay. Yeah, this looks kind of like a sponge. Maybe I can add it as SpongeBob's nose or something, and then there's sand and then there's rocks. So I'm thinking, oh, this is a really bad slime.
So smush, mush, 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 mush.
Pour a little bit more glue.
Here I go. Swirl.
We've got brown sugar boba sponge cake. Oh, wow. Just like the bottom of the sea. Some beautiful sand.
That is not bad at all. Pour it in. Oh yeah, folks, she knows what she's doing. My diamonds. I'm gonna name it the richest axolotl in the world.
How does it look?
Oh, Christy's is way worse though. What is going on there?
Oh, we've got some black dots. We can add 2 black dots. Yeah, we've got these 2 little dots here.
Pink one.
Oh, he's kind of cute. Look at this. Why does it look like a parakeet?
1. Hands up, hands off your slimes. Hannah, I'm gonna start with you.
Yay!
This is looking phenomenal.
It's pretty good, right?
A double swirl. The glitter's incorporated into the slime, not just dumped on top.
Yep.
Christy.
Glitter is fun.
A lovely axolotl family. And then even you got like little diamonds in here.
It's a very wealthy slime.
What?
Hannah, do you have a name for this slime?
The richest axolotl in the world.
All right, let's move on to Christy.
And so this is a SpongeBob themed slime. It could be its own character from SpongeBob, but we've got the spongy texture. I created a entirely new innovative texture of slime mixed with sand and rocks from the depths of Bikini Bottom.
He's pretty
He's
cute.
kind of cute.
Can I
cute.
poke it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you have a name for our little friend here?
Dan.
Dan. Right. Well, Hannah wins.
You don't like Dan? Dan, you need to learn about self-love.
It's time for round 2, which means the 2 of you need to grab 2 more boxes. And now that you have your boxes, it's time for another pre-round minigame. Welcome to the next minigame that involves our pool of goo. The girls will have as much time as it takes to fill up these buckets to the line. And if you cannot move the bucket to scoop out the slime, that'd
We
be
can't move the bucket.
cheating.
Wait, then
You
what
have
do
to
we
scoop out
use?
with your hands. Like that.
No way. It's liquid.
I'm not doing it.
Well, too bad. 3, 2, 1, go.
What the worst slime I've ever felt. What is this?
Okay, I can do it. Why are you so locked in now? What is she doing?
Crap right now.
Looks like it's
Oh
over
my
the
God.
line, which means Hannah wins. Okay, so Hannah wins round 2.
Today is not my day.
She's gonna get a secret reward that Christy will not know about. But for now, please open your boxes and the challenge starts now. 5 minutes before halftime.
Okay. It cannot be worse than what I had before. These blue and white cubes, cornstarch foam cubes, glittery clear slime, foam.
Oh, no wonder it wouldn't open. What is this?
See, it's those Dalmatian boxes. Those are the bad ones, right?
This is awful. Oh my God, it's not even mixed in.
How's it going?
This is horrible.
That's how I felt.
Let me clean up the extra pigment. I don't need this much pigment.
I already have a really pretty slime to start with. Just needed a little bit of activator.
I'm gonna start by taking out some marbles.
Try to get all of that glitter to stick in there.
You got 30 seconds left.
Oh shoot, I spent the whole time cleaning my table.
What am I supposed to do with the cornstarch?
Not much you could do
Wait,
anyways.
Oh, I'm gonna
Well,
just
you
put a
didn't-
little
why would you say
cornstarch here?
30
I have no idea. What is this gonna do?
I get sassed here to the left and to the right.
It does make it a little cloudier. Oh,
Why are you
okay.
counting down if it's not
2,
real?
1, halftime. So for the halftime minigame, we have an interesting scenario. We have another mystery box.
Oh, not the Dalmatian ones.
It is a Dalmatian. And for this minigame, you're going to be playing a game of hot potato using the box. And the winner is going to keep the box and use it for their slime. The ingredients in the box are optional. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. Go for it. Oh! That was Hannah. Christy gets the ingredients
Let's
for
see
the
what's
next round.
in here. Oh, chicken nuggets, Slay, a scrub mommy,
Scrub
Legos, and white slime.
Slime? But before we continue with the second half of round 2, Hannah has a little advantage she gets to use, which is a sabotage for 5 seconds on
I
Christy's
knew it.
slime. So Hannah, you're in position to sabotage, starting now. 1,
5, 4,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5.
I didn't even need time.
That's it.
I was super
What?
fast, and
went-
I stole some slime too.
Oh, and she stole your texture. So not
Oh.
only did she dump all this cornstarch.
Oh my gosh.
So the last 5 minutes of this round start now.
Okay. This is still savable. This is still savable, I think.
Out.
Oh, gosh. Look at this. Oh my God, so beautiful.
Okay, that is enough.
Maybe I'll make a fish friend. Under the sea.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Time to judge these slimes and pick a winner for round 2. So we'll start with Christy over here. I'm loving the deep sea vibes, Christy. I think I'm just looking at like the side profile here, and it's like super mesmerizing. It's like this murky, gray, glittery water, and then like the teal coming through. It's really cool. I'm gonna give you points off because your table is a mess.
I didn't do that. That's crazy.
And then moving on to Hannah over here. That actually looks pristine. Like, look how like, it's like still water at the top.
Oh, it looks kind of like a dessert.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a fancy dessert.
I do love the slime and the texture and the look of it. And because there's no theming over here, I'm going to give this round to Christy because I'm just loving the side texture here. It looks amazing. Which means we need to go to a tiebreaker. For the final tiebreaker round, we'll each have 5 minutes to create one slime using these boxes. I don't know what's in either of them, and it's completely random what you get, but good luck. And the winner gets a free giant Labubu. Seal, your time starts now.
I apparently no longer have faith in the heavy boxes.
I'm scared.
There's dies. There's, oh wait, these are cute sprinkles. I have this fluffy, oh, it's a butter slime. More glitter and fruit. Wait, this is actually really good.
Hold on, guys. We are in luck. I can already tell. Cute sprinkles. Clay. Woo. Silver. Pumpkins. A slug. He's so cute. Okay. There we go.
We have some cute butter slime. Let's start dyeing it.
Ooh, this is such a good slime.
We're in a rush. We are on a time limit.
This needs to get warmed up a bit.
I think this is gonna make a beautiful sea green turquoise color.
Silver.
So we're just gonna put this inside.
And I'm gonna mix in the clay. All right, here we go.
Wait, actually, I can make a second color.
Don't get distracted by the fluff.
Just some variation, some swirly. I feel like I need a little creativity here. That's a little bit more green. I'm just gonna mix it in a little faster. We put this chunk next to this chunk. Yeah, and then we twist.
I'm doing a swirl.
No, you're not hearing anything. You're not hearing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Okay, oh, this clear slime is pretty.
I think it's cuter than just one color.
Really fast.
And we're gonna top it off with these cute little sprinkles. I like these colors. So cute, they're like stars and moons.
Okay, I'm gonna mix in some of these pretty sprinkles.
More sparkles, just a little bit. And then I have these cute little pastel balls, just one of every color. Ooh, so cute.
It's gonna take like half of this, half of this.
And some cherries. What do I do? I don't know if the berries really fit in here. Let's just put 2.
I'm gonna add a tiny bit of this.
Ah, so cute.
Pretty.
Yeah, I'm done early. Hannah's still going. Basically, I better hurry, okay?
I'm still going. Swirl, slime, swirl, slime, swirl, swirl, swirl.
What should I name this?
This is beautiful. Pumpkin on top, slug and a slug on either side of the pumpkin.
5, 4, 3, 2. You're scraping it on me. And that's time. All right, let's start over here with Hannah with this lovely twist slime filled with, what are those, lemons? Okay.
Pumpkins.
They are lemons, the little charms in here.
Yeah.
But I did get pumpkin vibes when I was looking at them. And they kind of work because the yellow color is like tinted by the orange. It actually looks really cool.
Isn't that great?
And then happy little slug friends who I guess
I love those slugs.
So bonus points, I think I like this. This is good stuff. And then moving on to Christy. What do we have here?
It's like a little fruit cake galaxy
I
ganache
do like the
dessert.
green and blue swirl. It actually looks amazing. And then these little beads, I've never seen these before. What are these? It actually looks delicious. I feel like if this was like a pastry, I'd eat it. It looks lovely. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. I think the tiebreaker round is going to need a tiebreaker.
No, what? It's not.
No, more challenges.
And that tiebreaker is going to be whoever has the better name for their slimes. Christy, what do you name your slime?
Pastel fruit bomb ganache.
Hannah, your name?
Slugfall.
I love it.
This is slugs in the fall.
Slugfall.
Slugs in the fall.
I'm going to pick the winner, and that winner is Slugfall. It's very appropriate for the time of year, and of course, spooky season is amazing. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.